Ms. Shivangi Shivraj Kanase from Yashwantrao Chauhan Institute of Science, Satara, PG Department of Microbiology, Associate Professor. Today we will be seeing about oncogenesis. In short, what do you mean by cancer? So, let's begin with the lecture. Oncogenesis. It is a process of transformation of a normal cell into a cancerous cell, where this cancerous cell, it acquires a property of division and redivision and uncontrolled cell growth. In this manner, the transformed cell grows into many cells, grows into a heap of cells, and this mass of cells is known as a tumor. Now, as far as oncogenesis or transformation of the cells is considered, the normal cells of any eukaryotic cell or eukaryotic organism, human beings specifically, normal cells, they grow or they divide, and this cell division of the normal cells, it provides the requirements of the body, where the cell division is required as the growth of the body, growth of a particular tissue type, or replacement of the cells, or the repair mechanism of the cell, where the older cells are replaced by the newer cells, and this is known as the wear and tear mechanisms of the body. So, the normal cells, they grow at a specific constant rate, and this cell division in the normal conditions, it involves specific cycles of the division of the cell, and it has certain rules and regulations where the cell number is controlled, or the cell divides to fulfill the needs of the particular tissue or the particular you can say the organ of the body. But in case of transformation of a normal cell into a cancerous cell, the main effect of transformation is loss of growth control, loss of cell division control. This transformed cell, it goes on dividing and redividing, thus forming a heap of the cells or a mass of a cells, which is known as tumor or a cancerous cell. So you can see over here, a cancerous cell which undergoes rapid and an uncontrolled growth at the cost of the remaining cells is known as the tumor. So such tumor cells are also known as the neoplastic cells, or the process is known as tumorogenesis. So the process of transformation of a normal cell into a cancerous cell, which has many different properties which differ from the normal cell, but the main property is that this transformed cell shows the properties of abnormal growth, abnormal cell division, which results in division and redivision, dividing and redividing of a particular cell type which has been transformed into a mass of the cells, which is known as a tumor. So there are different types of cancers, and these cancers, they account approximately more than 200 types of cancerous cells or cancer types are present. In the figure you can see some different types of cancer have been characterized, that is some common carcinomas, that is carcinoma of the lung, breast cancer, then the colon cancer, bladder, prostate gland cancer of the men. Over here you can see the leukemias, which involve the bloodstream, lymphomas, which involve the lymph nodes, and some common sarcomas, that is, which involve the fat, bone and the muscles. So in general, you can say that there are these many types of the cancers, and as far as the types of the cancer is considered, you just name the organ and you have the cancer which is present in the organ. That is the colon cancer or the lung cancer or the kidney cancer. So there are so many types of cancers, but in short, you can you can classify the cancers or see the types of the cancers as it is seen in the figure. That is